Welcome to Aurum Foundation step-by-step account setup for new ambassadors of hope. We are here to change the world. We're here to build one of the biggest brands in the history of finance with Aurum Foundation's AI Finance. But to get this access to this ecosystem, you need three prerequisites. And those are the apps and the things that you will download from the internet. So allow me to share my screen, take you on the process so you learn, so it's clear how you get access, how you reset your investment, and how you get access to this ecosystem. So if I go here, stop sharing, moment. To get access here, you need to verify you are a human. And of course, you have to sign in. This is the Aurum Foundation's back office. So if I wanted to sign in, I put my email. It's probably going to ask one of the requirements, which is the authenticator, which I will show you shortly. So stay till end of this video and learn the process once and for all. So here I log in. It will ask for authenticator. So I need to get my phone activated. Now here I'm going to my phone, the Authenticator app, AU, just put it in your search. It will come up. It is this one right here. And I will see if it can send me a code. One is expired, it's red. So I'm going to ask again, copy this, take it back to Aurum Foundation, which this time happens to be on the computer. So I will take that number and put it right here, 395. 318. It should allow me to log in. Not 395 318. Log in. Expired again. Oh, now we're in. Okay, so as you can see, I am in Aurum Foundation. The first question I wanted to ask you, if you haven't registered yet, when was the last time you had $1,010 in profit in 7 days? That is really what I'm trying to access to this ecosystem that can create such an income, which we call Rich Uncle's system. The first thing you will need is a VPN browser. This is downloadable on your phone, and you have to connect. Remember this, I'm showing it on my screen, through Netherlands in US and Canada. Okay, so if not, you have to change your server until you get access. This is a free country. You don't have to pay for VPN. Okay, the second thing, once it's connected through Netherlands, is Brave. And Brave browser is this lion head right here. You can also download this lion head on your phone, in your system, and access it. Make this your default browser because it's secure. Brave, as you can see, the lion head is a Brave browser that will help you secure your access. So Brave browser, VPN, and the other thing is VPN, Brave browser, authenticator. And now that you have your invite code, you will put the code in and you will access this Aurum account here. Now, once you have an Aurum account opened up, you also have to do a couple of things. Number one, a lot of time spent on this EXAI bot, how you get started. So you have access, you have a VPN, Proton VPN, you have your Brave browser, as I showed you. All of these are downloadable, and you have your authenticator set. Now you have to connect Aurum account with authenticator, which is the second step that you're going to do once you register. Now registration comes here. You go to Aurum account. Depending on how much money you start your account with, that's how much you will get in return. For example, person who starts between 10 to 240 gets 10 and a half. Person who goes over 250,000 gets 11 and a half. Person who puts in 1,000 to 2,500 gets 12 and a half. 13 and a half is 2,500 to 5,000. Business is 5,000 to 10,000. VIP is 10,000 to 24,000. Luxury, which is my goal to get all of our team to, is 25 to 50,000. Now, how you get there is step-by-step process. Start with $130 right here, $150, whatever you money you got, and receive your daily profits. Now, the second part of the equation is how to invite people into this Aurum Foundation. And this is again by request from my family. How do I invite other people? I'm really enjoying this daily profit, this business model. So to invite other people, you have two places right on top of your page. You say copy here, right here, right the first step. When you go to EXAI bot, right on top, copy, and you copy this and you send it to the other person, and you make sure that they have a VPN, they have a Brave browser, and they have an authenticator, and you merge them, and you're in business. This is a very, very exciting business. I have not been this excited in a long time, but in this short 6-minute video, I wanted to show you how to access the system. That's step number one. Step number two is you come into the training, you show up to everything, the Zoom calls, the meetings, all of the things that are happening out there. And today, right now, is 2:44 p.m. on a Tuesday, and I'm just about to log into my rich uncle's Zoom call and record that for you as well to get all of the details. Now, that was step number one, to get access. Now that you have access, you need to attend the trainings to see what happens behind the scene, and I'm going to take you through that in the very next video. Make sure you subscribe this, share this with your team, get the confusion out, make it simple. I'm Arif Gilany. Thank you for joining, and thank you for subscribing.